We can also record clip ideas within our main mode screen, which is a fast and intuitive way of creating patterns instantly, and then we can combine these together into a song. Now, instead of recording into our normal MPC sequence view, we're going to change this to clips. Here, I can record different clip ideas all on the same track. Now, we can think of these as takes. So let's start recording our first idea. I'm going to lay down a melodic on clip 1. Now that we've done that, we're going to use our duplicate button, copying the entire pattern. And we're going to add our drums over the top on clip take 2. Once we finish our drums, we're going to duplicate. And now we're going to add our hi-hats onto clip number 3. Now let's add some note repeat over our hats using our touch strip and our time divisions. Now let's duplicate our hats and let's add some percussion. Now for our final clip, let's duplicate and add some vocal chops. Now, as you can see, I'm doing this all in real time without ever leaving the main mode. And now if we go to our clip matrix, you see all my 5 takes, all independent. Let's start with the intro. Now let's bring the beat. Now we got our foundation, we can start going to different tracks and adding different ideas. So let's add a melody down. Now let's drop a bass line. Now the great thing about creating different patterns using clips, that we can trigger these in real time. So let's go back to our drum track, take out the hats, and now bring everything in. Using clips with MPC really adds a whole new level of creativity to your patterns.